We wake to the soft hush of waves, pull back the curtains, and there it is. The Pacific in a distance stretching wide, impossibly blue under a cloudless sky. Sunlight floods the room, warm on the floorboards, and a breeze drifts in carrying salt and hibiscus. Mugs of morning tea in hand, we step on to the terrace and just breathe. No itinerary, no rush, just the sun climbing higher, the wind tugging gently at our hair, and the ocean glittering. We sit, shoulders dropping, letting the quiet settle in. The world feels unhurried. Later, we wander the villa. The garden hums with insects and the rustle of leaves. We find the pool, calm, clear, tucked into the hillside with that same endless ocean view. Conversations come slow or not at all. Sometimes you don't need words when the view says everything. Time blurs. We close our eyes, then open them again to the same perfect blue. The breeze never really stops, and neither does the feeling that we have slipped into a pocket of pure calm. This is the Pura Vida people talk about, not just a phrase, but a rhythm. Wake, soak in light, move slowly, notice everything. By late morning, we are still there. Tea long finished, but the serenity lingering. No checklists, no honking, no crowds. Just us, the villa, the pool, and the Pacific keeping quiet company. For once, we are not chasing the day. We are living inside it, moment by moment, exactly where we want to be.